Hey guys, so in question number 6 right here, they give you a data table that represents the number of credit hours of 16 students. And what I wanted to help you to do is to find the mean and standard deviation for the number of credit hours, just as a way to kind of remember how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the problem as if we were working with just the top row here. So to show you what this would look like on the calculator, I'm just going to make sure that I'm in the correct mode. So I'm going to go to mode, and then remember you go into stats mode, one variable. And then once you've gone into that particular mode, you just start typing in your information. So you go 10, 10, 12, 14, 15, 15, 15, and 15. And then you can always double check this to make sure you see that there's 8 pieces of data, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of data here. Now at this point you're going to hit AC, and then from here to get to your menu you're going to press Shift and then 1, and then your average is going to be under 4, and remember the symbol for mean is X bar, so you press 2 and then hit your equal button and you get 13.25. So to remember what that means is that you're going to actually have to type in either the symbol X bar or the mean is 13.25, but then you have to remember what was the number, or what's the unit that that's measured with. Well, this was the number of credit hours, so our mean is credit hours for the unit. Then for the standard deviation, all I'm going to do is go back into the calculator, and I'm going to go back into the variance menu. Now, when I go back into the variance menu, we need to ask ourselves, okay, was this a sample or a population that I dealt with? Well, if I take a look at the question here, it says that there was a survey conducted in a college intro stats class. Well, in a stats class, I don't believe that there's going to be only 16 students, so that probably means that it's a sample, which means I'm going to have to use the number 4 version of our standard deviation formula. So when I do this on the calculator, I get that this is a 2.25 standard deviation. So I'll just say over here that our standard deviation is equal to about, we said it was 2.25. So 2.25, but then again, we have to give it a unit, and it's going to be the same unit that our mean is measured in.